Imagine a home where dirt and dust vanish without lifting a finger. That's my reality with the Eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max. Its powerful suction tackles both carpets and hard floors, leaving every corner spotless. I love how its sleek, compact design glides effortlessly under furniture, reaching those tricky spots I often forget about. With advanced sensors, it navigates around obstacles and avoids falls, so I can relax while it works its magic. And the battery life? Up to 100 minutes on a single charge, perfect for cleaning any room in my home. Controlling it is a breeze. I simply use the Eufy app or my voice with Alexa or Google Assistant. A cleaner home is just a command away. The Eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max has transformed my cleaning routine, making it smarter and so much easier.